the Sansad assault gate, the Congress has brazened it out over the FIR. The Congress party has called the FIR a diversionary tactic and a bid to silence dissent. This is a charge by the Congress party, saying there are 26 motivated FIRs against Rahul Gandhi so far. So the Congress party is alleging bias by the Delhi police, saying that Delhi police ignored the complaints by the Congress MPs and saying that the Congress had also filed a complaint and yet action was not taken so diligently. So, Niamika, yesterday we saw complaint versus complaint as well after the protests and the assault gate in the parliament premises. The BJP leaders filed a complaint against Rahul Gandhi and the Congress as well. What is the Congress party's charge? Because they claim bias by the Delhi police.
Well, after the BJP MPs had made this complaint in the police station against the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, now an FIR has been registered against him, and this can increase the trouble for the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, because this complaint has been registered by the Delhi police, and it is also being told to us by the sources that Delhi police has also written a letter to the Speaker of Lok Sabha seeking the CCTV footage of that particular area where this incident had taken place, and after for the further investigation, it might be possible that they are also going to summon Rahul Gandhi for questioning. But on the other side, the Congress party has slammed this move of the BJP and in fact Delhi police as well, as it is the Congress General Secretary KC Venugopal who had raised a concern that why no FIR has been registered against the BJP MPs even after the Congress party had made a complaint regarding whatever has happened within the parliament premises, as they had also asked Delhi police to invoke the SC/ST Act against the BJP MPs, because they had alleged that it is because of the BJP MPs that the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who is a Dalit leader, has got injury while holding a protest at the parliament premises. On the other side, the Delhi police has registered an FIR against Rahul Gandhi, to which KC Venugopal has responded over the same, and he has said that this is nothing but just a diversionary tactics on the part of the BJP, as it is like a badge upon Rahul Gandhi for having this kind of complaint, for having this kind of an FIR while protecting the legacy of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. So that is the response which is coming in on the side of the Congress party, as they are saying that these are all the diversionary tactics which the BJP is opting.
Diversionary tactic is what the Congress party is calling it. But let's break down details of the FIR as well, Niamika. The Delhi police has informed the